Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get mending books in Minecraft Bedrock. Step 1 is simply crafting a lectern. This is done by crafting 4 wooden half slabs and a single bookshelf before placing them on a crafting table in the shape of a T. 3 slabs will line the top row, the bookshelf right in the middle, and the final slab at the center of the bottom row. Only swamp librarian villagers offer mending books now. However, there are no natural swamp villages to be found. This means one will have to be created, which begins with finding a swamp biome. Swamp biomes are fairly common and can often be found by wandering about. But cartographer villagers now offer maps for purchase that will lead players to the swamp nearest to town. In the worst-case scenario, those with cheats on can also do the /locate biome command. Once the swamp biome has been found, it is time to build a house. It does not have to be large, nor does there need to be an entire village, just enough for a few villagers alongside their beds. Players have 2 options when creating swamp villagers. The first is to find a jobless zombie villager and cure them within the swamp biome. This will cause them to become a swamp villager. The second is bringing 2 villagers from another village and having them breed. Their children will all be swamp villagers, making it extra easy to proceed. Step 5 is simply placing the lectern inside the previously crafted house. The swamp villagers should walk up to it and become a librarian. Unfortunately, it is no longer possible for the first trait to be mending books. The final step of our guide is leveling up your swamp librarian villager until it becomes a master. This is done by trading with them until they reach level 5. As of Minecraft 1.20, a master swamp librarian will always offer mending books that you can buy, rewarding you for your time. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.